Check, 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 check. Microphone testing 1 2 1 2. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Oston called Cypher, back again with another video on web development. So I would like to thank you guys for supporting the channel. So far we have clicked 1,502 subscribers. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, the one you're seeing here, the red one. Or if you're new to the channel, it will be displayed somewhere here or in this place. So guys, thanks for the support, I appreciate that. So let's go straight into the code. We are looking at Bootstrap tooltips. So you can go to bootstrap.com, but right now for me, I get my links because this site always updates its links. I go to w3schools.com. So let's navigate to w3schools.com, and on the left hand side there is Bootstrap 4. So make sure you click Bootstrap 4, the latest one, and click Start Learning Now. So when we're on the page, make sure you copy all these links the way you see them here. Make sure you copy them, paste them in your editor. So this is my editor. I already pasted them in the head. I already pasted them in the head section. So that's all you need to run Bootstrap on your web page. Next, when we go back to our channel, I'm going to show you the live example of what we are going to be creating. So we are creating tooltips, and I would like to show you an example. It's here on YouTube. Are you seeing these icons? The upload button, all apps, and notification. Right now when I place over the arrow button, are you seeing that tooltip which says upload? So that's what we are going to be creating. YouTube, apps, notifications. So how does YouTube create those tooltips? That's what we are going to be looking at today. Let's go straight into the code. So this is my basic HTML structure. I'm just going to change the title, Bootstrap Tooltips. If you never watched my previous tutorial on buttons, I'm going to leave the link in the description below, or go check out the playlist on my channel, Tooltips. Right click when you're using Sublime Text, preview it, open in the browser. If you're not having this, make sure you go to the directory and open the file. So with Bootstrap, all our stuff will be inside a container, a div with a class of container, so that be somehow responsive. So everything, it will give us some margins on our web page. So that's all we need. I'm going to create some header. Oh, I need the header, not head. Header, and this is going to have some h2, and I'm going to call them Bootstrap Tooltips. Tooltips and positioning. So save this. So as you can see, this is what we are having. Now let's edit some header here. We say class bg primary. So the background color, we have given it primary. We are now just styling our page. I'm going to give it some padding. Let's make the text white. Text white. We center it, we say text. So we say text, center, So cool, that's all we need. Now let's start on our links. So still inside the div, we're going to create our links, href, so they are going to be going nowhere. I push that pound symbol or hash symbol, and I'm going to call the one top link, and I'm going to create many links. So it's all about what you want. You can set an icon and put it under these anchor tags, or just only text. Now this one is going to be right, this one is going to be bottom, this one is going to be left. Save this, view on our browser, and this is what we are having. So we are going to leave some padding under this. I'm going to create some styles. Say style. I'm going to select the header by tag name, and I'm going to say margin bottom, and it should give us some 50 pixels. So it should give us some space here. I'm going to zoom in for you guys to see it properly. I'm going to add line breaks between these anchor tags, br, so they should leave some space between themselves. Let me scroll down for you guys to see properly. So that's all what we need. One is top, right, bottom, left. So we want to create tooltips. For the first one, it has to be at the top, and this one has to be on the right, this one has to be on the bottom, this one has to be on the left hand side. So there is an attribute called data toggle, the right data toggle. Data toggle equals tooltip. So you have to set this, the data toggle, that's an attribute, you set it to tooltip. Now, since we included our jQuery, we have to write our custom jQuery here at the bottom. So I'm going to go at the bottom, write some script tag, and I'm going to run jQuery. We say $, document .ready, write an anonymous function .ready, open curly brackets. So now we have to target the attribute we used here. It's what we have to target and assign it to a function called tooltip. So we shall say $, open brackets, open these brackets. Now we enter in this attribute we entered, like data toggle tooltip. We cross it inside the closing one, we say dot tooltip. As I said, we assign it to a tooltip function. So this is all what we need. Refresh. Oh, we have to set a title. So a title is what's going to be appearing on the text. Say I'm at the top. Save this. Are you seeing that? We have created a tooltip on our web page. I'm at the top. So by default, it's at the top. But let me show you if I'm to add this since we already assigned our jQuery, we just need to add this class, this attribute, and we add the title saying I'm on the right, since it's a right link. I'm on the right. So by default, it's saying I'm on the right, but it's still showing on the top. So to change this, we have to press another attribute called data placement data placement equals, we say right. Save this, and should be on the right hand side. Are you seeing? It's on the right hand side. Now for top, you just need to copy this data replacement. By default is at the top, but you can say data placement top. So I'm going to be copying these. So data placement bottom, and we also give it this class of data toggle, this attribute, not a class. The same applies to this data toggle. Data placement is going to be on the left, and the title will be on the left, and the title of this will be at the bottom. Save this, preview. I'm at the top, I'm on the right, I'm at the bottom. Oh, the reason why it's displaying this at the bottom, because we zoomed in, so it's not balancing the width, I think so. Oh, but this has to be on the left hand side. Oh, here we set it at the bottom. It has to be left. Data placement has to be left. And now I think it's colliding with the margin, the container, so it pushes it on the right hand side. But if you are somewhere like on W3 scores and run your code, it will be displayed on the left hand side. This has to be this side, just that it's now conflicting with the margin this side. So that's all I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorials. Easy. So this would be something big when you're writing CSS. It will be almost like 15 to 20 lines of coding, but if you are to use Bootstrap, it will give you just the attributes you'll be adding to elements, and such stuff appears. So thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial was useful to you. Go ahead, subscribe to my channel as always, and I'll see you in the next tutorials. Testing 1 2 1 2, microphone 1 2.